Students, let's solve exercise 3.2. While writing the coordinates of a point, which coordinate comes first? In Cartesian plan, each point is comprised of two values in which the first values are known as x coordinate or abscissa, and the second value, which is known as ordinate or y coordinate. So our answer for this question is x coordinate. Let's move to next question. Question number 2. The 2 points which lay on the y-axis and which are at equal distances from the origin. For this question, our answer is going to be option D. Since 0, 3 point and 0 minus 3, the distance from this origin to this point and from this origin to this point, both the distances are 3 and 3. So our option D is the correct answer. So then let's move to the next question. Question number 3. The coordinates of a point are x, y, and it lies in the third quadrant. Which of the following is true? In the third quadrant, the nature of the coordinates, that is x and y. X smaller than 0, y smaller than 0. C is the correct answer. Students, let's move to next question. Question number 4. The two quadrants where the value of abscissa are negative. In the second quadrant and third quadrant, the sign of the abscissas both are minus and minus, whereas in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant, the signs are plus and plus. For this question, option B is the correct answer. Students, let's move to the next question. Question number 5. The distance of the point 4, 6 from the y-axis. Option A, 4 units. Option B, 6 units. Option C, 10 units. Option D, 2 units. The distance of the point 4, 6. This point 4, 6 from the y-axis. So from this y-axis, the distance, which is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, our answer is option A, which is 4 units. Question number B1. Write the answer of each of the following questions. Question number 1. What is the name of the horizontal x-axis and the vertical lines drawn from y-axis to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plan? In the Cartesian plan, horizontal line represents x-axis and vertical line represents y-axis. Question number 2. What is the name of each part of the plan formed by these two lines? In a Cartesian plan, we draw two lines. They are y-axis and x-axis. And these two makes 4 quadrants. They are quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So our answer is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Question number 3. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. X-axis and y-axis, they intersect at this point, which is known as origin. So our answer is origin. Next question. See figure 3.14 and write the following. Sub question 1. The coordinates of B. the coordinates of B, which are -5 and 2. Next, the coordinates of C, 5 and -5. Question number 3, the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. -3 and -5. -3 and -5. So our answer is E. Question number 4, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. 2 and -4, which is identified by point G. Next question, the abscissa of the point D, which is 6. Question number 6, the ordinate of the point H, which is -3. Question number 7, the coordinates of the point L, or abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 5, 0, 5. Question number 8, the coordinates of the point M, which is this, in which abscissa is -3 and ordinate is 0. So our answer is -3, 0. Next question, question number 3. Write the coordinates of the point which lies on neither axis at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. 2 units from x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis, which is this point. 2 units from x-axis, 1, 2, and 7 units from y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Question number 2, lies on the x-axis, with abscissa -3. Lies on the x-axis with abscissa -3, which is this point. That is -3 and 0. Question number 3, lies on the y-axis with ordinate 5. Lies on the y-axis with ordinate 5, which is this point, that is 0 and 5.